Okay, Canary Riverside Plaza Hotel, which has a beautiful reception. Just got here. Really lovely bathroom and walk-in shower. Beautiful vanity case. I was upgraded to a riverside room. So your normal, your tea, your coffee, mini fridge with things that you're going to pay for. Your wardrobe with all of the normal vanity things that you would expect, and a safe, very big TV. We'll get more to the riverside view, which looks amazing. The sun is about to set. My voice is disappearing, guys, so apologies for that. King bed. I see PowerPoints by the bed and no major USBs. It does worry you when you see things that say fax or modem. How up to date are we? Look at this lovely little seating area by the rather amazing sun setting at this moment. Riverside view, that's just the top of the spa that you can see there. That has the pool. Well, I'm heading straight to that spa because I know that there's a sauna and a steam room and, a jacuzzi and even a treatment center. So I'm going to enjoy.